going to introduce the Euro Tool family of Euro crimpers. There's the micro crimper that crimps 1mm crimp beads, the original crimper that crimps 2 or 3mm crimp beads, the mighty crimper that crimps 3mm or larger crimp beads, and the dual crimper that crimps several sizes of crimp beads. I'm going to take my stringing material and add a crimp bead and an appropriate finding and go back through my crimp bead I'm going to take the original crimper. It has two cavities. The cavity toward the handle has a dimple shape, and the cavity toward the tip used as a rounder. I'm going to separate the wires so that a wire goes on either side of the dimple. And lay it in there and give that a squeeze. I'm going to move it up into the front set by the tip with the dimple facing away. Using the rounder, give it another squeeze. And your crimp bead is secure and you're finished.